1. Which sentence is correct? A. She is taller than me. B. She is tall than me. C. She taller than me. D. She more tall than me. Two. What does early mean? A. Late. B. Before the usual time. C. Very fast. D. Yesterday. Three. Choose the correct word. I. TV every evening. A. Watching. B. Watch. C. Watched. D. Am watch. Four. What is the opposite of cold? A. Cool. B. Hot. C. Wet. D. Dark. Five. Choose the correct question. A. Where you are going. B. Where going you. C. Where are you going? D. Where you going are. Six. What does helpful mean? A. Angry. B. Wants to help others. C. Very tired. D. Loud. Seven. Choose the correct form. A. He don't like milk. B. He doesn't like milk. C. He not like milk. D. He isn't like milk. Eight. Which word is a verb? A. Happy. B. Run. C. Fast. D. Blue. Nine. What does always mean? A. Sometimes. B. Every time. C. Never. D. Rarely. Ten. Choose the correct sentence. A. I am agree with you. B. I agreeing with you. C. I agree with you. D. I agreed with you now. Eleven. What is the plural of foot? A. Foots. B. Feet. C. Feets. D. Foot. 12. Choose the correct preposition. The cat is the table. A, next, B, under, C, in, D, at. Thirteen. What does busy mean? A, free, B, happy, C, having a lot to do, D, sleeping. Fourteen. Choose the correct sentence. A, she can to swim, B, she cans swim, C, she can swim, D, she cans swim. Fifteen. What does never mean? A, often, B, sometimes, C, never, D, soon. All right, that's the end of today's quiz. How did you do? If you got 10 out of 10, amazing. Your English is really strong. If you got 8 or 9, great job. You're doing very well. And even if you got fewer, don't worry at all. Every question you try makes your English better. Now it's your turn. Write your score in the comments. I'm reading them, and I want to see who got a perfect score today. If you enjoyed this kind of fun English learning, don't forget to like the video. It really helps the channel. And if you want more quizzes, more real-life English, and more fun ways to improve your English, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. In the next episode, we'll have new questions, new challenges, and even harder English. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!